Hello guys, how are you today? Everything's alright? I'm just taking a look on the economic calendar. Hello Ryan, good day man. How are you? Everything's alright? Euro, German CPY. Hello Mr. Flair. Hello Papa. Okay guys, let's start. Let's introduce myself briefly for the beginners, okay? So let's do this. Yeah, the markets, it's kind of very slow man. So welcome for everyone. I'm James Martin, been working on Smart for a long time, almost 6 years. And all my knowledge, all my experience I want to share with you. Because of that, I created this group. Right. On this group I send signals for the pocket show option. Every day for the morning, afternoon, evening, nights. Right. And the first step you need to do is click on the pin in the message. Okay. And click on this link to create your account. Watch this video where I teach you how to create your first account, to use the promo code 50 stars that PocketShop released for us, okay, to perform your first deposit, withdraw, configure your accounts, change your time zone, alright, how to configure your indicators, or you use that to find a strategy, okay, alright. So when you create your account guys, you're gonna win $50,000 on your demo account. This is a good opportunity for you to gain more experience, to use the signals, to copy the signals, to use indicators, find the good and best option for you, alright? And be more confident. After that, if you want to perform your first deposits, you can use the 50 starts, okay? You can find that on choose a new deposit method right here. Okay, so the minimal value guys to activate this promo code is $50, right? But you're gonna win 50% on your deposits. That means $25. And this is a great opportunity for you to only use the bonus to make profits. Okay? You can use the bonus, make profits, rate this fellow again, and make the withdrawal of your money. And only use the bonus to perform other profits. Alright? So this is a great opportunity, guys, with this one. But I recommend you to start and try to make your first deposits after you use your demo account. Alright? Try to use this one before to perform your first deposit. It's very important. Alright? If you have any question and comments, just let me know. Click on the link right here and send a message. Okay? So now after that, you just need to know to read my signals, to copy that, to perform your entries and your operations. I set my season time to TC minus 3 bodies, 3 times delay as per James clock, so I need to know what country because I want to set my Windows time to exactly the 2 time James. Guys, this delay is very normal, alright? Right now in my computer is 6:11 a.m. and on the box option is 6:15. Almost 4 minutes, okay? Try to only use the time on box option. If I send a signal on the group, for example, this one 15:10, this will be the time on the box option. The computer's time is different, alright? Oh, thanks so much, Quinn. Exactly. As how Mr. Flair said. For example, this one right here. Euro JPY OTC. Okay. So you need to then find this pair. Click on the higher button that is buy right now on the pocket option. Exactly 520. That means that you need to click 520 exactly on the time for the pocket option. It's not by your computer. Okay? You need to know all operations will have 5 minutes of duration. So you need to configure your broker for always right here. When you click on the button, for all operations have 5 minutes of duration. Just let this in 5 minutes. Click on M5. Okay? That means all operations with 5 minutes of duration. And if you lose, make up to Gales. Okay? For example, this signal right here. Performance martingale is very simple, guys. If I perform my first entry with $2 and I lost this, I need to double up again and click on the same button. For example, this one is higher. I click on the higher button again and wait for the results. If I lost my second entry, my first martingale, I need to double up again to $8 and wait this again, right? But I need to pay attention on the payout. Okay, look at that. $2, 184. $4, 368. So I will recover my $2 and perform a profit of $1.68. With $8, I gonna win $7.36. I will recover my $2 plus my $4 in a total $6. Alright, so I will recover my $6 that I lost in my first entry in my first martingale and perform a profit of $1.36. Okay? But you need to pay attention on the payouts. The minimal value on the payout for you recover our money using 2 martingales is 75, right? If I use this one with 74, look at the payout on the second martingale is 592. For that one, we left 8 cents to recover my $6 that I lost my first entry and my first martingale. Okay. But with 75 on the payout, I will recover $6. So just pay attention on payout. If I perform with that right here, 77, $6.16. Alright, so $2, $4, and $8. Alright, so it's very good. Martingale is a good strategy, guys, to use, but we need to pay attention on it. Okay, so this is the payout about the pair. The minimal value is 75. If we try to perform this on 73 with $8, for example, I perform with $2, $4, and I just double up this to $8, but it's 73. Try to use $9 on the second martingale. Okay, just for you recover our money lost and perform a profits. Be careful with that. Alright? Okay. So on this example, guys, the first thing that I sent for you is time zone UTC -3. So this is the most important thing that you need to do first of all, right? Is configure your time zone or accounts. Why are there a lot of bad reviews about Fox option? Yeah, so well you say James never sleeps alone. It could all be a good help if we can show you use. When people lose money, they just say Poke option is scam. Yeah, James, I'm having problem with my time. Can you briefly explain that again? What time that you mean? Right here, the time zone. To configure your account, just select M5. We have two options, right? Flag and time, the clock. I recommend you use the time. The flag is the same thing. You just need to use plus M5, but when you use the flag, it's to perform an entry with delay. Because if I perform an entry right now, for example, right here, these two operations will finish exactly. Oh, the clock has just changed, man. Shit. Alright. 6:30. Okay. This time right here will finish exactly at 6:30. Okay. Alright. If I use the flag, you need to pay attention on the martingale to double up the amount. If I use the time, I know that all operations will have 5 minutes of duration and periods. Okay? So if I perform an entry right now, 25, 7, 8, 28, 30, 27, 28, this operation will have 5 minutes. If I use flag, 26, 27, 28, 25 right now, this will finish exactly at 6:30. So try to use the clock. Okay? To configure your account for the time zone, if you're using smartphone or a computer, it's almost the same time. If you want to use both, right? Just click on the profile, go to the profile, click on settings. Come on, man. What is happening? The box is slow for you guys. Alright. So go to the gears icon on the profile. Oh my god, man, what the fuck? Let's wait for this. Look at that, guys. It takes a long time, right? So go to the gears icon or profile and click on settings, okay? After that, click on time zone. You need to unselect the automatic detection and select UTC -3. Without that, you cannot copy any signal. So this is very important for you to do this first to copy any signal that I sent on the group. Okay? When you click on the C-3 and you close that, your page will be reloaded and you are able to see the C-3 outside of the time right here. Okay? After that, you need to then find the pairs without UTC and with OTC. So just click on currents and find the pairs. If you know that is I send this pairs with OTC and without OTC, so just pay attention on it. After that, chart types, just select candles. Okay, this is our first strategy that we're gonna use on that. Time frame, just select M5. Sometimes I like to use the M1 chart to see what is happening inside of that candle with 5 minutes. Okay, if this starts to revert or if this will respecting the trending. Okay, and I recommend you to enable the timer, this countdown in front of the candle. Okay, this is very good. Look at that. And last, my indicators that I like to use. As I always repeat, you're not obliged to use the same indicator that I'm using. You need to then find a good option for you. Okay, but I like to use MACD with 12, 26, and 9. Two options of moving average, they both with hexadecimal moving average, 20 and 9 on periods. This one pink and white. Bollinger Bands, 20 and 2. I like to disable the backgrounds. Okay. Fractal 3 on periods and zigzag. Okay. It, uh, you just set the time zone punch option, T73, la. Look at the top left, it starts time same as James. Give signal. Yeah, is that Mr. Flair? Or correct. Don't forget to explain the TC-3. Are you ready? Did that, man. I showed the UTC-3 a few minutes ago. That just because we're not using the martingale example. Green. Yeah, it's correct, Mr. Flair. You need to pay attention on the martingale, guys. Alright. So let's try to perform an entry right now. Guys, if you want to know more about my indicators, I have a video on my channel on YouTube. Okay. Let me see that. Alright, so this is a good one, but let's try to perform this. Okay. Guys, I would say def let's try to do that. Wait for 30 seconds. The martingale is a strategy, Philip, that we perform to minimize our risks. If I perform my first entry right now with $100 and I lost my first entry, I show you right now. I click on the buy button, the higher button, right now. Okay? Yeah, I recommend you to use 2 gales. There are traders that like to use 3 martingales, 4 martingales. It's up to you guys. I recommend you to use 2 martingales. If you want to use only 1 martingale on your risk management, if you want to use 2 martingales, 3 martingales, it's up to you. You need to then find, you need to stipulate for you the best strategy. Risk management, stop win, stop loss. When perform $10 of profit in the day, that day you just stop and wait for the next day to keep with that to continue. If you lost $5, you stop that day and try again tomorrow. Okay? So you need to stipulate stop win, stop loss. Just use 2 to 5% on your total World Bank. If you can do that, just use $1 per operation. Yeah, if you lost this, you're gonna lose a lot of money. Okay? Because of that, I don't recommend you to use 3 or 4 martingale. Look at that. Do you remember when I show $2, the payouts, $4, I will recover my $2 that I lost. If $8, I do not recover my $6 that I lost. With $4 in first martingale and $2 in the first entry. Look at that, the third martingale. 11.84. Okay? There are left almost $4 to recover my money lost. Look at that, the fourth martingale. 16 plus 8. 24, 28, $30 to recover my money lost. There are left in $6. It's a lot of money. So I don't recommend you to use or try to perform more than 2 martingales. Okay? So I need to pay attention on that. And UTC minus 3, Philip, is there are not any secret, man. If you're using smartphone, just click on the profile will be on left side. If not, just go to the profile, settings, time zone, and select the automatic detection, and select UTC-3. It's very simple. Okay? Click on it, your page will be reloaded, and you can see the UTC-3 outside on your time. And guys, this is very important for all operations that you perform. You need to follow up using this time right here on the broker, on the top at left side. It's not using our computer time, guys. It's using on the time of broker. The POC options time. Okay? Yeah, this is very good. Okay. Oh, if you want to know more about my indicators, I recommend you to watch this video right here. Okay? Click on my name on my channel. Click on videos, and I have this one here that have 1 hour and 5 minutes. It's a take a long time to watch this one. 1 hour. Yeah, I know. But I recommend you if you want to know more about my indicators. If you want to use the same that I'm using, I recommend you to use this video to learn that. What this one. Okay? Even after you watch this, if you have any question about that, just let me know. Okay? And guys, be patient about that. I try to answer you as soon as possible. Okay? I have a lot of questions. I try to answer it every day. Send the signals, perform the lives, right? So be patient. Okay? All right. So is that for today, guys? The another thing that I need to tell you is just pay attention on the coming calendar. Okay? Today, Euro, AUD, Euro CAD, Euro USD, Euro HUF, Euro JPY, Euro RUB, Euro TRY, right? All the pairs with Euro are suffering a good impact today on the markets. Okay? So be careful to perform an entry on that. Okay? Tomorrow we have the GBP that are suffering impact. USD, alright? So let's pay attention on that one. Okay, guys, thanks so much for the attendance. Have a good day. Don't forget to watch this video if you want to know more about the indicators. Don't forget to configure their time zone to the C103. And just stay tuned on the group and wait for the next signals. Okay? So is that for today, guys. Have a good day. Thank you so much. And big hug for you. Right? Okay. Alright. So how can I read a person without watches? How you put the preload? Just send a message on Telegram and directly. Okay, James, see you later and love you always. How you put the preload currency on top? Just click on the favorite star right here. Open the currency. You find the pair. Take a lot of pair right here and click on the star and let them above the charts. Alright? So is that for today, guys. Thanks so much. Bye bye. Have a good day.